They're not gonna talk if you do that to them.
Rusty, yeah. Rusty.
Rusty G.
Wrapped him up to the tunnel monk.
Where are you from?
It's from the monsters.
You fucking scare them, you weirdos. I'd be scared.
You're scared of us.
I would be if I didn't know you were. Skunk Deluxe. I love that name. How are you?
Rusty out. That was my Gunji.
Why are you talking like that, Cookie?
What a hoary. Oh, can I have some of your splashes out, Gil?
I'll kill.
Sure.
Get in the car, Gil. Look at that.
I don't know
Shit,
why.
sorry guys, I was texting. Right?
Oh, where are we?
Over here.
Ooh, why'd Auntie go hoary? I couldn't. I genuinely don't know.
Oh, I don't know. Don't listen
Yeah,
to
that's
me.
funny.
Oh, they might be up the stairs now.
Ow!
Yeah.
In here. In here.
Wait, you
A
closed
bit
the door
funny
on me.
there, Auntie.
Oh, you closed the door on me out.
You closed the door on me.
Oh, mistakes. You know when you make a mistake? This is it. So I'm gonna leave them the fuck alone.
You know.
What's that? Oh, there's a blue chest. Nah, fuck off, that's my blue chest.
Because I'm hoary at heart.
Give it back. Give me it. Why did I miss every single shot? Oh, I already had that.
I just got puppy Whitey.
Fuck a Heidi. W-H-A-K.
Jesus died for you, just followed me.
Oh wait, what did you say?
Jesus died for you, just followed me, by the way, guys. What a name.
Hello.
Jesus didn't die for me. Wait, what are you spelling? Yo,
That's Whitey.
Tonight's a hoary night, eh? You've missed the most of it. You had the
Atu
hoariest little shit in here before.
Atu.
Grab.
Oh, Atu Heidi.
No. Atu Whitey.
Patu. Wait, what?
There's someone up top too. Why is there someone up? It's weird.
P-A-T-U Heidi?
There's so many of them.
Atu Heidi?
Atu Whitey.
Oh, Atu Pai Heidi.
How do you spell it?
Easy.
Atu Pai.
What am I doing? Owie!
The theories.
Don't do that.
P-A-T-U.
You're hurting my feelings.
P-A.
Is this two different teams?
Patu Pai Heidi.
Oh, you can't.
Patu Pai Heidi? Wait, what?
Yeah. The
Patu
theories.
Pai Heidi. P-A-T-U-P-A-I-A-R-E-H-E.
Wait, you went too fast. P-A-T-U-P-A-I.
P-A-T-U-P-A-I.
Stop moving, Ken.
Yep.
A-R-E-H-E.
Thank you. Thank you.
No
I'm
problem.
panicking. I have no health and no movement.
Sorry guys, I was texting again.
Good.
Jesus said you need him tonight to have a good pool marty. Nah, no one needs Jesus.
I think he's Jesus. Which Jesus are we talking about?
My Jesus.
My Jesus.
And that makes me go.
Oh no, God, I'm fucking dying.
Holy moly.
Please don't tell me I got chased all the way here.
Shit, I'm drowning.
No, bro, you're at the head.
Please me,
Oh,
baby.
no. Our
Give
Lord
us
and
a
Savior
hearty
Jesus.
cook on our auntie. What
Oh.
the? Who's auntie?
You!
Darn.
Nah, it's Pookie.
Meow.
Pookie the hoary.
Oh,
But
dookie.
I meow.
Donnie the dookie.
Fuck, I didn't even see it in my kahe.
You really good video. You should have seen it.
Nah, babe. Have you seen my eyes?
The hoary.
Look them right in the eye.
Yeah.
Look them right in the eye.
The hoary Pookie.
Oh, fuck. I ran into the pole.
Yeah, I'm a pretty hoary. Not just a pretty face, got a pretty voice too.
Sure, I worry. Ah, no! I'm well at the start and that's all downhill.
Okay, I'll put my vice.
What, you gonna say something else? No, come on, yeah, Auntie, pretty hearty. Or she's hearty, she's hearty is. Hearty is she.
I'll put it Kati Toa. Oh yeah, I'll come there real quick. Hang on. Just landing.
Yeah.
Look me in the eyes.
Look me in the eyes.
That's right. You're going different ways.
Get a dub for us, Auntie. I'll give you biddies. No, don't give me biddies. I'll try my best for a dub though, but you don't have to give biddies. Okay.
Open it up there. Oh, I'm gonna kill this person. He's just standing there. Oh wait.
You better get a kill with those guns you just stole.
Wait, open up. Oh yeah, brother, open up. I'm a bit.
Wrong button. I just got fucking shit on.
Actually, I'll come join this stove here. Then. Oh, never mind.
Hangi tonight. Am I the only one who doesn't like Hangi?
You fucking weirdo.
Nah, I
The
don't
only
like
thing I
honey.
won't eat
It's
out of the
sad
honey
because
is if
young
the meat's
man.
too dry. I won't eat
I
it.
hate honey. It like tastes like. You might as
Wait,
well
what
go eat
started
fucking
when you were
toes.
young?
That's too late, that's sweet. Yeah, that's the same bitch that gave me before. Fucking chaos looking ass motherfucker.
Yeah, Rusty left us after stealing my guns.
Bro, how is he not dying? I'm dead.
Look me in my eyes and try to feel my pain. Bro, why is this guy just standing there? I'ma shoot you. Hit lasers. Oh, who's in here? Wait.
I'm not gonna lie, either my local ain't making it right, or I don't like Hangi. I feel like it's overrated. Personally, I really don't like it.
I would rather boil up than hangi.
I fucking love boil up.
To
No
be
correction,
honest.
I love potatoes out of boil ups.
Yep. I love.
Oh, thank you for the bits. You did not need to at all, but I really appreciate it.
What are they? What's in the boil up? Coconut? No.
No, it's the
What
same
is it
bitch.
now?
I'm done. Yeah.
Oh, I'm dead.
You put coconut and boil up.
I'm just dreaming.
Little shots, lady. Imagine if I died to him.
Nice shot. That was pretty delicious. Oh, I mean, that was pretty cool.
It's pretty delicious.
Oh, it's 2 o'clock.
What time do you have my hair tomorrow?
Ah,
Not
I'm not
9,
going.
is it?
nah.
It's
like-
like you got you starting. Is
Uh,
Auntie Maury or Fob? Which auntie? This one or the other one? Other ones. Because I'm a mix. I'm both.
Carl.
She's got a better property.
Pacific Islanders. No, I'm not. Nah,
Maury.
I wanna be-
While in the AM is different. Wait.
Ow.
He's a bitch. You get Pookie?
Yeah. He's dead.
Good
It's
shit.
the same kid again.
Oh,
Same
bro, I
kid
should have
again.
waited till
Coming,
for
coming.
reboot. Oh, nah, I'm dead. Oh, that was sad.
Yeah.
Hey,
Aw.
can someone come right to me and help me? Thank. Oh, chickens! I don't need two. It's a bit extreme.
Both of us.
Right there.
Did what? Oh, fuck.
Yeah, that-
Sorry, my bad.
Bring up Mahi during the game while I'm in that EM is depressing. Bro, Mahi's not
Mahi
life at
dog.
the moment.
Nah, I'm not enjoying nothing.
I enjoy it when you're there.
Same, I enjoy it when you're there. But this is not the only time I enjoy it. Oh, I don't mind Chris.
Nah, Chris is alright.
There was a bitch over here. I don't know where he went.
Anyone else? Nah, that's when I become a bitch. A
missed.
bitch ass. Cause I'm a bitch.
We work at a bottle store.
I work in the store. Though.
I can't. Oh. Fuck, shut up. Oh.
There's two of them in there, Vicky.
Yeah, I know. Ah, yeah, now I'm dead. Yeah, happy life.
I'm not happy life.
No.
There's three of them in there.
depressing.
My living team's just died.
Ow, ow.
Now she sounds like Shriek.
Ow. Ooh.